Alright, what's up guys? Chris Lee back with another United Destiny Entertainment tutorial video. Hey, check this out. If you're new to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell to get more videos like this in the future. Alright, so what's up guys? Chris Lee back with another video. I'm pretty excited to be back with the video. What I'm going to be doing in this video is basically showing you guys a song that I mixed inside of Cakewalk. Now, I did a video on this particular software a couple years ago telling you guys that it was free. I showed you guys how to record in it, use Waves plugins in it, showed you how to mix in it, master in it. Okay, so I was pretty excited about that video going viral. Now, word is on the streets is that they are now relaunching that software, and basically they revamped it and they are charging money for it now. I'm not saying that you shouldn't buy the software. I definitely would invest in the software, but the whole point of me bringing this up is I did that video a couple years ago, and for what I was last told, a lot of people said that they were going to the website to actually download it, and it got to the point to where they didn't even allow them to download it anymore. I guess because it like flooded the system from everybody hitting it up. I'm not saying that I am the reason why that happened. I'm just saying that I think I played a pretty big role in a lot of people going over to that website and downloading that software, okay? So because of you guys, I decided to go ahead and start to record another song in the software for you guys in 2025 just to show you guys what you can do with it. It's a professional sounding software that sounds really good in my opinion. I record with Pro Tools, Logic, FL Studio, you name it. I can record with any software, but I want you guys to kind of hear what I was able to do with this software and let me know what you think in the comment section. All right, straight into the software. Let's go ahead and check out the song that I recorded inside of the software, and we'll talk about it a little bit. Here we go.
I miss you. I'm missing your smile. I wish you were here. I can hear you laughing. I can hear you so clear. All the days on the lake that we spent together, I was really hoping that I can make you feel better. I wasn't ready to let go, but I know you did your best to stay strong. I know I'm crying, but I'ma keep going for you. I'm missing you, missing you, missing you. It's an understatement. I'm missing you, missing you, missing you. My heart can't take it, and I know I really need to get myself together. Can't wait for the day that I see you again. I feel better. I know you're in a better place. You gave it your all and you finished your race. You gave it all you got and I'm proud of you. But I can't understand why it had to be mine. You didn't deserve it. Why was he taken from me? Cause I know my God, he don't make mistakes. But if I'm being honest, this is too much to take. I'm missing you, missing you, missing you. It's an understatement. I'm missing you, missing you, missing you. My heart can't take it, and I know I really need to get myself together. Can't wait for the day that I see you again. I feel better.
Alright, so I'm pretty excited about this simply because this software has been so powerful. Like I said, years and years ago, it was free. I think 40 years ago, I did like that video and it was free at the time. And I proved to you guys that you can get a professional sounding recording from this software. It's very powerful. Video, audio, you can produce beats, the whole 9 yards. You can do everything within the software. You can do like voiceovers and things like that. Guys, this is a very powerful software and I highly recommend it. Now, let me go ahead and jump into why I personally like it, okay? First off, if you guys haven't had a chance to purchase my template, then I highly recommend that you purchase my template. I can do one for this software or I can do one custom for you. This is my personal session template, so it has everything set up for you already. So you can just import your beat, you got your lead vocals, you got your background vocals, your ad-libs, your hooks, extra vocals. It has pretty much all the presets set up already with the effects from the compressors, the EQs, everything already set up from plugins inside the software. So no need to try to purchase any other secondary plugins or anything like that. Everything is already set up for you and ready to go. Everything is already panned. All you got to do is pretty much import your session template, save it to whatever title song, import your beat, and start recording right away. And then you can go ahead and set up all your aux sends. All your aux sends are pretty much already set up, but you can go ahead and adjust the reverb, the delay, to the timing of the tempo or the BPM of the song, and you're pretty much good to go. And you can tweak from there. You can also add third-party plugins like Waves plugins or any other plugins that you want on top of it to make it sound even better, okay? I made this song for my buddy. Shout out to Jimmy Parrish. That's my brother, man. That's my boy. He just recently lost his son to cancer. So rest in peace to you, Jeremiah. We love you. Parrish, anything you need, my boy, I'm here for you. Once you open up the session and you go to the console view, Alt 2, this is where your console view will be. So this is where pretty much your channel strip will be. And this is where you will find the plugins, okay? So this is my vocal chain that comes in the software as well. And if I click on it, as you can see, it's all plugins, the Sonitis plugins that come inside of Cakewalk already. Okay, so I got these pretty much set up, ready to go, and you can just tweak them to your liking, okay? Having it set up like this, or it doesn't take up a lot of RAM or memory, having it set up like this, which is really cool. I'll also have like your reverb here and your delay here set up as well. And then I got like an aux track for the vocal tracks to where I pretty much have like the vocal effects to where I got a multi-chorus. But this is the main one that'll come into it, or come with the software, okay? Sonitis compressor, EQ, multi-band compressor as well. Another compressor, okay? And then some of these extra third-party plugins I went ahead and added was just stuff from Waves. All right, so stereo imager, SSL compressor, REQ, reverb, and then ozone. I use some of that stuff as well. Okay, so these are just some things that I added on top of it to make the mix come out even better. Okay, it's not even fully mixed yet, but it sounds really good. This is what I like about this software. It has everything that you need in it already. Okay, so if I want to do automation, like for example, you can click here. You want to go ahead and click this on, and if I want to just, you know, mess with different automation, I can go ahead and change the volume, the reverb sends, the delay sends. If I want more echo, I can pan vocals and automate it to where it works in my favor for the song that I'm mixing. And that's exactly what's going on right now. If I show you a quick example, if I go down to this portion here, let's just go ahead and solo this vocal right here.
Feel better.
All right, so if you can hear it, I have a lot more reverb in that specific area, and then I also have it panning from one ear to the other with the automation, and then I also automated more delay on that specific part because I want more delay to happen. And how you usually can do that is if you just go here, for example, you go to automation and you click volume, then what it gives you here are these little keyframes, okay? So you use the smart tool here, and you just click and you can add like little keyframes, and then you can use this tool to move it up and down to adjust the volume the way that you want it, okay? Then if you want to go in and change like the pen, same concept. As you can see, I use the same tool here, created the little pencil tool for a little keyframe, and then I basically panned it. So it says panned 47% to the left, and then once I get down here, it says 40% to the right. That means that the vocal is going to go from the left ear and pan to the right ear, which is a really cool effect for that particular portion of it. So let's go ahead and check it out.
Can't wait for the day that I see you again. I feel better. I know you're in a better place.
So you can just hear it go from here to here. It's a slight effect, but it's great. Okay, I absolutely love it. So the automation is really cool. You got to make sure that you have this on if you want the automation to if you want to hear what the automation is actually doing. Okay. Obviously, you have everything set up. So if I go back to my console window, you can pretty much go here, and you'll see that everything on your channel strips are already set up. So you can do the pro channel if you need to. You'll have like EQs, compressors, things like that if you need to use that, tube effects, etc. You can do more EQ here, post, pre-fader, things like that. If you want to add effects, then you go ahead and click this plus button here. Go to insert audio effects, and as you can see, I got like Antares, Cakewalk stuff, Ceremony, Isotope, STL tones, universal audio stuff, waves plugins, etc. You can just add those plugins and you can move them wherever you want them. So I can drag this down here if I want to, or I can drag it back to the top. Pretty easy and self-explanatory, okay? The other thing that you would do down here is if you want to go ahead and create new aux sends or whatever, if you want to add like a modulation effect or some type of effect, like how I did with my reverb and delay, then obviously you have your faders, solo, mute, record buttons, polarity buttons. If you want to hear the echo input, okay, input echo, or if you just want to hear yourself while you're recording, there's just a lot of different options that you're utilizing. What else do we got? We got the inputs, so we got our I/O set up down here. This is for your mic input, so whatever your mic input you're utilizing, you click this one down here. Obviously, if you can't see it, you just click this down here, mic input, and then this is your output, which I have my output going to aux master for my vocals, okay? And that's just basically going to control my vocals in general. So if I just want to mute everything, that'll control that. And if I want to add extra effects on my vocals altogether, that's what I did on that track, okay? And then after that, guys, you just pretty much get to go in and just try slapping whatever effects that you want on the track, and your effect sends, your inserts, whatever you want, compressors, reverbs, delays, the whole 9 yards. You can do it with this software. It's very powerful. I absolutely love this software. Now, mixing it is just fun. It's absolutely fun to me. So if I go back to clips, that'll basically make it to where I can start utilizing my tracks. If I wanted to record like comp takes or whatever the case may be, you can absolutely do it in this software. I absolutely love that. So you can just keep recording a certain note or vocal over and over and over again until you get it right. And then it'll break it down in different comp takes. And then you just take sections of the best one and combine it all into one vocal. That's very powerful, a very useful tool, but I absolutely love it, okay? So let's just go ahead and check this out one more time, and I'll go ahead and mute the beat. Let's check it out.
I'm missing your smile, I wish you were here. I can hear you laughing, I can hear you so clear. All the days on the lake that we spent together, I was really hoping that I can make you feel better. I wasn't ready to let go, but I know you did your best to stay strong. I know I'm crying, but I'ma keep going for you. I'm missing you, missing you, missing you. It's an understatement. I'm missing you, missing you, missing you. My heart can't take it, and I know I really need to get myself together. Can't wait for the day that I see you again. I feel better. I know you're in a better place.
Guys, this is such a powerful software. If you decided to go into the notes, you can put like your name, album, write your lyrics to the song while recording at the same time. I just think that's super useful and helpful. You got plugins, you got different things. Like I said, you can produce beats in here. They have some plugins already. Anything third-party softwares or VSTs that you have to go ahead and produce beats, you can go ahead and do that in the software, create full songs from start to finish, voiceover stuff. It's very powerful. I know that they do have a free version still available, but if you guys want to go ahead and invest and buy the full version, then I would definitely say it's worth the money for sure. This is such a powerful software because I normally use Logic, Pro Tools, FL Studio. I can use any software to produce professional music, but just the simple fact that I can do it in the software like this for free, plus utilize third-party plugins, it's amazing. So guys, all right, guys, so that's pretty much it for the video. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Leave me some comments and let me know what you think. Do you use Cakewalk by BandLab? Guys, if you do, let me know in the comment section. How do you use it? What kind of music you record? I would love to hear some of your material content. If you haven't had a chance to go check out my material or any of my basically tutorials for this software or any other software, then I highly recommend that you do it. If you are new to this channel, you definitely want to hit that subscribe button because I'm going to be bringing you tutorials, Pro Tools, Logic, FL Studio, Cakewalk, you name it. I have a bunch of tutorials. I do tutorials on photography, videography, everything like that, but this is mainly focused on audio on this channel. I do some reviews on some things, so this is a really cool channel for you guys to check out. So I would love it if you guys hit that subscribe button and help me get to 100,000 subscribers. That'll really help me. I kind of got a little laxed and I want to get back into it, okay? The creators of Cakewalk, of this software, if you see this video, everybody tag them, email them, let them know to watch my channel, let them know that we need to do some kind of deal, a partnership deal, collaborate with each other to go ahead and bring you guys something awesome. I'll bring you guys tutorials and things like that. I would love to get something really cool, some type of deal or incentives from them. Basically trying to promote this software for them as much as possible. I didn't expect that video to go viral, but it did. And here I am again, creating some beautiful music inside of the software, and you guys can too. So with that being said, you already know what it is. Continue to make music. As always, stay tuned for the next video.